restaurant, pizzeria on transfer right here in Náquera, Valencia. This is gonna be a beautiful opportunity. Let's take a look. Here we are in the saloon. As you can see, we have enough space. We're talking about 180 square meters where you can sit till 50 people. We have a beautiful space outside. As you can see, we have a lot of space where you can sit till 100 people only outside. We have a beautiful decoration right over here, okay? Here we are in a bar. As you can see, we have everything to work as well. And here we are, on my right side, you have the oven for pizza, a professional oven for pizza, so you can make a great product. As you can see, we have enough space to work as a team, okay? Right here on the left side, we have the area where you prepare all the pizza. I show you the kitchen. Into the kitchen, as you can see, we have a full kitchen with extraction, you know, with all the necessary product and machinery to work as well. If you want to have more information regarding this beautiful opportunity right here in Náquera, Valencia, write me in a comment and we'll send you, as always, all the information on private.